Hello mga katambol. So graduation na gyud taon sa among palangga. So 17th kindergarten moving up ceremony. So pictorial pa sila first before sugdan. So let's wait na lang, murag kurik among bugoy oy para buyag.
Mas mahal ay ang gusto mong maging teacher. So, you. Yan, ready na mo? Kung saan natin ang isulti? Mama and Papa, I love you. Sige, ready na? Oh, unyawin yung set na. Mama and Papa, thank you. 1, 2, 3, go. Okay, very good, Papa. Take your seat. Dear parents, thank you for There is Zenith D. Longakit Happy Helper Award. Ireland Junior M. Leison Honest Kid Award. Precious Thea Opigal Sparkler Award. Perry Beatrice.
So after sa iyahang awarding, kay nihilak siya, kay nakakita di ay siya spaghetti sa mga teachers and principal. So mo din yung pinaka-favorite. May gani, kay naulian ka diyo paghatag silang snacks. So mauto we're so very proud of you, Palangga. And this is the new beginning of your journey. So we are so very proud of you. Congratulations lang. Laban lang jud kay layo pa kayo latason. And also we love you so much, Palangga. So gusto lang na mo nimo nga proud kaayo mi sa imuha. So thank you for all your hard works, Palangga, and sa behind sa tanan challenges makaya ra gyud nato tanan. Thank you also for all the supporting atis, mommies, daddies, and to everything. Di man ako maingon sa inyo personally, but I'm very thankful for everything, especially ni God. Thank you so much. And again, congratulations to all graduates. This is the beginning of all your journey. So laban lang. God bless. And also thank you, Mama in Heaven. I know nga proud kaayo ka ni Dudong karon. Thank you so much, ma. And the I entitled ani nga graduation is pansit. So nihilak tungod sa spaghetti sa teachers, but napalitan na sa dayon og Jollibee. So worth it.